Welcome back. Today is day 5 and our final day of our culminating writing task. We know that our ultimate task is to write a how-to essay on how to carve a pumpkin. And so far, we've already done all of our pre-writing, our drafting, and we've even revised and edited to make our paper look and sound as best as it can. Now, before we turn it in, we're going to grade our own paper using a how-to rubric. Now remember, we've already practiced how to use a rubric. And the way that we do this is we look at each section, the 4, 3, 2, and 1, and then we read each of these bullet points here. And based off of what's in our essay, we're going to say, does it match a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1 based off of the descriptions it's given for each of those sections. So for your writing assignment, the directions say, you're going to reread your how-to essay final draft. Then you're going to drag and drop the star on the score you feel you deserved based on this rubric. So go back all the way to slide 11. And now that you've revised and edited, reread it again. Then come here to slide 15 and read each of these bullet points for a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1. And then drag and drop your star to where you think it belongs. Again, be honest with yourself because your teacher is going to look at this. And if you gave yourself a 4 and your teacher gave you a 1 because maybe you didn't do all the things that it says in a 4, you might have to have a conversation with your teacher about being honest with your own writing and assessing your own writing before you turn it in. So again, read it. And then really read each of these to see where you belong. If you need help and you want to see some examples of a 4, 3, 2, and 1, look at the following slides. Slides 16, 17, 18, and 19. On slide 16, it shows you a score of a 4. Then it goes to a score of a 3 on slide 17. And then the next slide, a 2. And then finally, a 1. And so you can also use this to help you look at your own writing and say, what does it match? Does it kind of match more of this 3 or 2, 1, 4? What does it match? And then, of course, use the information given in here. That's your assignment for today. Again, this is it. After this, you get to turn it in to your teacher and be very proud of the work that you've accomplished. Let's go be writers.